Things for the day. ISM. ISM Manufacturing Index plays an important role in forex trading. With ISM data influencing currency prices globally. As a result, the ISM manufacturing, construction, and services indicators can provide unique opportunities for forex traders, which make understanding this data and how to prepare for its monthly releases essential. So today we are discussing about ISM, and their points are: what is ISM, how ISM impact currencies, and how forex traders use ISM data. So, what is ISM? ISM is Institute for Supply Management, which measures the economic activity from both the manufacturing side as well as the service side. Monthly ISM data releases include key information such as changes in the production levels. It was formed in 1950 and it is the first management institute in the world with members in 300 countries. The data gained from its large membership of purchasing managers means ISM is a reliable guide to global economic activity and, as a result, currency prices. A country's economy is often determined by its supply chain. As a result, the monthly ISM manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMI economic releases, which are carefully watched by forex traders around the world. ISM surveys. ISM publishes 3 surveys: manufacturing, construction, and services on the first business day of every month. The ISM Purchasing Managers Index, that is PMI, is compiled from survey of 400 manufacturing purchasing managers. These purchasing managers from different sectors represent 5 different fields, which are inventories, employment, speed of supplier deliveries, production level, and new orders from customers. In addition, ISM Constructions PMI is released on the second business day of the month, which followed by services on the third business day. Forex traders will look to these releases to determine the rates at any given time in the market. Next, ISM Manufacturing Index. What is ISM Manufacturing Index? The ISM Manufacturing Index, which also known as the Purchasing Managers Index PMI, it is the monthly indicator of US economic activity, which based on a survey of purchasing managers at more than 300 manufacturing firms. It is considered to be a key indicator of the state of the US economy. ISM Manufacturing Index or PMI measures the change in production level across the US economy from month to month. The report is released on the first business day of each month. Thus, it is one of the earliest indicators of economic activity that investors and business people get regularly. The ISM Manufacturing Index is a composite index that gives equal weighting to new orders, production, employment, supplier deliveries, and inventory. Each factor is seasonally adjusted. The ISM report on a business contains three separate purchasing managers indexes based on survey. In addition to the manufacturing PMI, the ISM produces a services PMI for the non-manufacturing sector, which is released on the third business day of the month. A hospital's PMI is released on the fifth business day of the month. The institute also released a semi-annual economic forecast in May and December. Next, how does ISM impact the currencies? The manufacturing and non-manufacturing PMIs are big market movers. When these reports are released at 10:30 am ET, currencies can become very volatile. Since these economic releases are based on the previous month's historical data gathered directly from industry professionals, forex traders can determine if the US economy is expanding or contracting, much like non-farm payroll data. Currencies react with the information as it represents a gauge of US economic health. As on the looking at the chart, these releases are based on the previous month's historical data, which gathered directly from industry professionals and forex traders, and it can determine if the US economy is expanding or contracting, much like non-farm payroll data. And currencies are reacting with the information as it represents of a gauge of US economic health. Next, ISM and how forex traders use the ISM data. A weak US ISM non-factoring number usually leads to a dollar sell-off and a rise in the euro. Forex traders will compare the previous month's ISM data figure with the forecasted number that economists have published. If the released PMI number is better than the previous number and higher than the forecasted number, the US dollar tends to rise. This is where fundamental and technical analysis come together to create a trade setup. And Euro USD drops as a result of better than expected data. So, when an economic release beats expectation, sharp fast move can ensure. In this case, Euro and USD drops by in a few hours. Next, ISM PMI. ISM PMI number above 50 indicates that the economy is expanding and is healthy. However, a number below 50 indicates that the economy is weak and contracting. This number is so important that if the PMI is below 50 for 2 consecutive months, an economy is considered in a recession. PMI are also compared for a Eurozone countries by the market group, while US regional and national PMIs are compiled by ISM. As you can see, traders have a good reason to pay special attention to the important releases from the ISM Manufacturing Index. By monitoring the ISM Manufacturing Index, investors can better understand national economic trends and conditions. When the index is rising, investors anticipate a bullish stock market in reaction to a higher corporate profit. And if the case is opposite, in the opposite case in the bond market, which may fall as the ISM Manufacturing Index rises because of the sensitivity of bonds to inflation. The monthly announcement of the ISM Manufacturing Index can greatly influence investor and a business confidence. Another scenario is when the number releases is in line with forecast and unchanged from the previous month, then the US dollar may not react at all to the number. This is because the index is a survey of purchasing managers in supply management executives who are at the forefront of their company's supply chains. Purchasing managers are in the best position to access the ebb and flow of the business conditions. The manufacturers they work or must respond quickly to changes in demand, ramping up or scaling back purchases of materials they use in anticipation of demand for their finished products. An index of more than 50 indicates an expansion in the manufacturing segment of the economy in comparison with the previous month, while a reading of 50 indicates on no change and a reading below 50 suggests a contraction of the manufacturing sector. ISM Manufacturing Index. ISM Manufacturing Index investors can better understand national economic trends and conditions. When the index is rising, investors anticipate a bullish stock market in reaction to a higher corporate profit. By opposite case, in the bond market, which may fall as the ISM Manufacturing Index rises because of the sensitivity of bonds to inflation. And the workforce must respond quickly to changes in demand, ramping up or scaling back purchases of materials they use in anticipation of demand for their finished products. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. Bye bye. Take care.